On today's episode, I'm going to be talking about eBay dropshipping using Argos, one of my favourite retailers to use. Now, before I go ahead and get into this, if you are new to the channel, I recommend going and hitting subscribe and turning on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. That being said, let's go ahead and dive in. So, using Argos as one of my eBay dropshipping retailers is one of my favourites to use. Now, there's nowhere near as many people using Argos to dropship as there is Amazon. It seems like everyone who gets into eBay dropshipping just uses Amazon to start with, and most people actually stay with it. I mean, there's hundreds and hundreds of Amazon eBay dropshippers on ebay.co.uk, and by using Argos and other retailers, you haven't got nowhere near as much competition. Now, there's an item that I sell from Argos. It's only $9.99, so that means you get free shipping, not the $3.95 shipping. It's actually free shipping because it's just under a tenner, and I sell it for $18.99, or is it $19.99? $18.99, and I make £6 profit on it. Now, yes, £6's not a lot, but it sells regularly, and this item, there's only me and one other person in the whole of the UK selling it on ebay.co.uk. So there's only 2 people, including me, selling that item. Now, I'm sure it would be hard to find an item like that over on Amazon, but on Argos, it's just so much easier because there's less competition. This is why it's one of my favourite retailers to use at the minute. Now, yes, sorry about that. Now, yes, Argos does have problems when you go to dropship items. Main one being you don't get a tracking number because most of the items that you order on Argos, their own tracking built into the Argos website. So you don't get no tracking number, which you can't upload. Now, you do on some items. Most of these items are lower priced, and then they use, I can't remember the courier they use. Oh well. But my point anyway is that you don't get any tracking numbers most of the time with Argos, so you can't upload them into eBay. That is one of the main problems. Apart from that, they have fast next day delivery. You can even have same day delivery. Another reason why I do like Argos. Now, the best way to find Argos items, I have gone through this method multiple times in other videos, but I will show you again. Now, what you do, you come over to here to the advanced section, and how you get there is click up here, just this little advanced button right here, and it will bring you here. Then you click buy seller, write in Argos, and press search. So this is going to pull up Argos's eBay store, as you can see. And then what I do is I come down to here, I go to completed listings or sold listings, either one, it does not matter. Let's go to sold listings. Now, this has pulled up all the items that Argos has currently sold recently. Now, to narrow this down even more, most of the time what I do like to do is put in a price just here and filter it down by categories. So let's choose a category. Let's go to toys and games. Nope. Sporting goods. Let's try sporting goods. So let's just click the sporting goods and have a little look-see. So as you can see, there's 120 items that you could potentially go through in the sporting and goods category. Now, what we want to do is potentially find items that have sold a lot. So let's take a little look, see if there's anything that stands out at me, which I reckon could add 40% on top. Probably that. Let's have a look at the dartboard. Do many people actually buy dartboards? See how many they've sold. 188 sold. Okay, so when did they sell them? May. This is a really good selling product. So now what I would do if I was to sell this would completely optimize the title. Now if you don't understand optimization, I suggest going up here and watching the video so you get a better understanding. Because as you can see, Argos don't know how to optimize their titles properly. So if we were to sell this item, we could optimize it and make sales that way. But who searches extreme surround set when looking for a dartboard? Not many people. Anyway, now what I would do, I'd take some of this title, copy that, not all of it because we don't want that from Argos, but I'd go over to Argos, put that in the search bar and press enter. So that's the item we want. It's selling on eBay. As you can see, they've sold 188. Now I would take this URL and put it into a spreadsheet and build out an items list. That way, when you go to list an item, it makes it so much easier, and you can just go through each item that you have listed and list them quicker. So as you can see, this method of finding Argos's best selling items works really, really well. And you can find items to sell within a matter of a few minutes. That looks like a good one. What is that? Switch Sticks Luxury Folding Walking Stick. So that's a luxury walking stick. I actually haven't seen that before. Let's have a little look. 31 sold. Okay, you could potentially sell this. May, April. So this again looks like a good selling item. So I'd find this over on Argos, take the URL and put it into a spreadsheet. Now this method of finding items using retailers' eBay stores works with any retailer that actually has an eBay store. So you can do this with Vita XL and Domu as well, which I also have videos on. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.